This is an amazing DIY Arduino flashlight that you can make pretty easily and customize it by watching till the end of this video. Let's start.
This is a DIY Arduino flashlight that I made. So it is DIY and it is pretty bright, as you can see. And in this video, I'll teach you how to make this bad boy. Epic mic drop. It's fine. So this material right here is made from a hard surface called drywall, and this is basically cardboard, but it's hardened. So try to make it out of hard things so that we can, even if it does this, it'll be fine. Okay, so when I was actually making this, I pretty much forgot to record that process and explain how I built this. So let's break it. I feel so bad breaking it. Look at how many wires there were inside. That's crazy. Okay, so here it is from the inside. Let me plug this up because this is where the main brain is. I mean, Arduino's a brains, but this is where the magic happens. This thing right here is where all the wires are connected to, basically all these LEDs. To simply explain this entire row is positive, which is 5 volts coming from the Arduino, and this is ground. Only one of them is coming from the main Arduino. And basically, I repeated this process with every single LED on this breadboard. So, ground, positive. So basically join these two together, connect it to a 5 volt and the ground pin on this, and basically connect it to your Arduino. Just to show this, I had to break my entire project. And perhaps subscribe. Ooh, just subscribe.